Would you like to get some answers from the universe about your confusion? If you are confused in a situation or you are not knowing whether you should go with it or not, or whether you should do it or not, and in all those kind of situations, you like to get an answer from the universe. And in this video, I'm giving you a step-by-step process on how to get an answer to any question from the universe within 48 hours. Are you ready for it? I'm sure you are. If you are yet to subscribe to my channel, then subscribe now and press the bell icon to get all the latest update. Hey, hello, awesome tribe. This is Awesome Ajay, your mentor, guide, and coach in your personal transformation. And those of you who are new here, hi, I'm Ajay. I'm a law of attraction coach, and I help people make their life awesome by using the law of attraction and power of subconscious mind. Now, so many of you keep asking me in the comment section that AJ, I'm confused in this situation, or I'm confused in that situation, and how can I know that what is the right way or what is the right path to choose, or whether I should do it or not. So many of you have requested like how to get the answer from the universe, and if you have requested this video or you are waiting for something like this, then let me know in the comment section. So in this video, that is why I'm giving you a step-by-step process. How can you ask the universe to guide you? Always remember, all of us has a deep connection with the universe, God, higher power, source, infinite intelligence, whatever we believed in, whatever be the name of the God we are using, we are always connected with that supreme power. And not just spiritual people, not just spiritually realized people, they have the access to the universe. All of us has the access to the universe. And only if you are not getting these answers clearly, because you have never learned the process how to do it. And that's what you are going to learn today. So many people, they get confused in life, and they are in a situation like maybe it's for a dream job or for a relationship, or whether they should move on or they should stay back, or whether they want to go for this job or that job, or whether they should choose this career path or that career path, or whether they should stay in a job or they should follow their passion and dreams and start that business or go for a new adventure. So there are so many times in life we reach a point where we get confused, and that's normal. Being human, we all of us reach that point. But the best way to use your life and grow in life is to know how to get the divine guidance. And your intuition is always connected to that higher intelligence. You have to just use a certain process. So here is the process that you are going to use. And if you are excited to know the process, let me know in the comment section, because I know so many of you really wanted to know this. So first of all, during any time of the day when you are alone or no one can disturb you, and when you can be peaceful and calm, choose a time like that. Preferably you can do it at night, because that's the time no one will disturb you. When you lie down on your bed, that's the time you can do it, or during any other time you can do it. So first be calm and peaceful, and then ask that specific question clearly to the universe or God or whatever that higher power you believed in. You ask it, and ask it in a yes or no answer form, so that the answer should be yes or no. It should not be a confusing thing with too many open-ended answers, because you will start with this. So ask like whether you should do it or not. So there should be yes or no answer, whether you should stay in this particular situation or not. So yes or no. And you should be ready to follow what the answer you are going to get. So relax yourself, ask the question clearly and strongly and specifically with a yes no answer. And once you are done, you let the universe know that I trust you and you guide me and give me the answer, whatever is right for me in the highest divine order. And remember, you are asking this question only if you are confused. If you are not confused, do not ask this question. Only ask for those questions where you are really confused or not sure which path to follow or where to go. So once you ask the question, then be relaxed. Let the universe give you the answer within next 48 hours. And I can guarantee you that all of you get your answer within next 48 hours. Now when you get ready for this answer, you expect a clear answer from the universe. Like a clear answer within this 48 hours that yes, you will be hearing yes or no. Now, how you are going to get the answer? Of course, universe is not a person who will come and tell you, hey, yes or no. So that's not going to happen. The universe will give you the answer through different forms, through different channels, maybe through people, maybe through different medias and formats. So let me give you some example. How you will get your answer. Within next 24 hours, maybe you will be talking to someone and somebody will talk exactly about it, the same situation. And they should give you some idea that whether it should be yes or no. You are not going to ask for their advice. You will be interpreting from that conversation. Or you will be hearing the exact answer, the solution or the answer maybe in a YouTube video, maybe on your radio, maybe in a song, maybe in a movie. Or maybe you are reading a book and you will find the exact answer in the book, or maybe you see a sign on the road that should be there. Or if you are a person who meditate regularly or you do deep introspection, maybe in the meditation you will get an inner voice or kind of a moment of intuition where you get the clear idea. So the answer can come from many different channels. But now some of you must be thinking like, Ajay, how should I know that whether this is the answer or that is the answer? Yes, your confusion is valid. Now how to know the answer is for you or this is the answer? When you get the answer, you feel absolute certainty that this is it. There is absolutely no confusion about it. You feel intuitively or your gut feeling will tell you that yes, this is the answer the universe is giving me. And you strongly, clearly feel whether it's a yes or a no. And whatever be it, once you get the answer, once you get the clarity, you follow it. So this is the simple process. Now some of you may be thinking like, Ajay, if it's so simple, that why so many people are not using it or doing it? Remember, this wisdom is there from the beginning of time. So many scripture has already mentioned, ask and it will be answered. It's there in almost all scriptures. But people have forgotten it. But still, all the spiritually realized people, successful people, people who are knowing more about themselves, they are using the same format. And it's sometimes coming from within, it's sometimes coming from outside. You should be asking it clearly and you should be ready to receive the answer. You will get it 100%. And there is only one point you must remember here. The only thing you should not set when you ask the question is from where exactly or how exactly you are going to get the answer. Because when you set the exact process of from where you are going to get the answer, that will create resistance. Like for example, when you ask the question to the universe, when you ask the universe, you should not say that, oh, I am going to see only signs on the road, then only I'll get the answer. Or only if somebody will say it about it, then only I'll take it as the answer. No, the answer, let the answer come from various forms. Your intuition will make you feel and believe that yes, it is the answer. So my friend, this is the process. If you are ready to do this process and do this experiment, let me know right now in the comment section that yes, Ajay, I am going to ask the universe this question, and when I'll get the answer, when you get your answer, come back and share in the comment section, because this is the simplest and the most effective way to resolve most of your biggest confusion. Always remember, Confusion is one of the biggest enemy of manifestation. Till the time you are confused, you are not going to manifest anything. So clarity brings power, and sometimes when the clarity is not coming from your head, let the universe gives you the clarity. So thank you, thank you, thank you. This is Awesome Ajay, your mentor, guide and coach. And if you want to learn more tools, processes, techniques from me, then you can join my program, Make Your Life Awesome, or you can join 28 Magical Practice Program. Check the link in the description. And if you are new here, hit the subscribe button and bell icon so that you won't miss any notification. Thank you.